Welcome to my classical conditioning experiment. Today we're going to observe what happens if we associate a phone buzz with a loud alarm. Two things that, on their own, have two different responses. The reflex that we're going to begin with is a flinch, or a surprise response to an alarm going off. The alarm is our unconditioned stimulus, or a UCS, and the flinch is our unconditioned response, or a UCR. We know that everyone flinches to an unexpected alarm, but let's see what happens when the phone goes off. Okay, so we see that when the phone goes off, there isn't any sort of stressing reaction, and she remains very calm as she picks the phone up. Now we know that this is the natural response without the alarm. This will be our neutral stimulus, or our NS. Let's try and associate the phone buzz, NS, with the alarm, UCS, now. To do this, we're going to play the alarm sound unexpectedly right after the phone buzzes. So now we see the flinch reaction to the alarm right after picking up the phone. Let's do this a couple more times. Okay, so now that we see a pattern is being learned, now we know that when the phone buzzes, the reaction is to instantly prepare for the alarm noise. Let's take away the alarm and see if our subject truly has been conditioned to associate these two things. Yes, so now every time the phone buzzes, the response is to flinch or to become stressed. Now, the phone buzz has become our conditioned stimulus, CS, and the flinch has become our conditioned response, CR. Now we can use this information to complete our formula for classical conditioning for this example. We started with an unconditioned stimulus, the alarm, to trigger an unconditioned response, which was the flinch. Then we took a phone buzz, our neutral stimulus, and related it to the alarm by playing it shortly after. Then, with repetition, we used the conditioned stimulus of the phone buzz to cause a conditioned response of a flinch. Our experiment is complete. We have now successfully conditioned the subject to flinch when she hears the phone buzz. I hope you learned a lot from this experiment and can now apply classical conditioning to your own studies and daily use.